Hello friends, welcome to Shiuli Simple Steps. Today we will learn about factors and multiples. So first we will learn what are factors. Okay. So we will take one example. So friends, suppose you have 10 objects. Okay. And you have to arrange these 10 objects in all possible way that there is no elements will remain. Okay. We have to make sets of these 10 objects. So first what we can do, we can take all the 10 objects in one set. Okay. हमने यहाँ क्या किया है कि सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को एक में ले लिया है, तो यहाँ पर ये हो गया, ये कितना बना, वन सेट बना, वन सेट ऑफ 10 objects. Okay. Now again we have the same 10 objects, and now we will take two objects in one set. Okay. So here we will take two objects in one set. यहाँ पर ये लिया and here we can see that when we take two objects in a set, how many sets we have? We have five sets of two objects. Okay. In this case we have five sets of two objects. Then in another way, how can we write? In another way we can write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will take five objects in one set. Then we have this one set and this another set. So we have here two sets of five objects, and we will write it as two sets of five objects. Or we can arrange this collection in fourth way, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in the last step we will take one object in one set. Okay. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here we have 10 sets of one objects. We will write it as 10 sets of one object. Understood? So friends, you can see that in the first case there is no object is remaining. Here also no object is remaining. Here also in all the cases we have no objects remains with us. It means one completely divides 10, 5 completely divides 10, 2 completely divides 10, and here 10 completely divides 10. So numbers which completely divides the given number, they are the factors. Understood? So friends, now take another example. Okay. Now if you want to make a set of three objects, then what happened? Let us see. What we get? 1, 2, 3. But what happens here? Here 1 is remaining. That's why this 3 is not a factor of 10. So friends, what we have seen here is 10 is divided totally by 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 10. These numbers completely divide 10 without leaving any remainder. So these are the numbers which are known as factors of 10. So here we can see that factors are the numbers which divide the given number without leaving any remainder. Okay. Now take another example. Suppose we take 15. So what are the factors of 15? So we can see that 1 completely divides 15. Then 2 divides 15 completely? No. Then we have 3 5s are 15. Then we have 5, and then again we have 15. Okay. So these are the factors of 15. Suppose we will take an example of 24. Then 24 we will start from 1. 1 is, you can see 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, here also 1 is here is also 1, 1. So 1 is factor of every number. Okay, then here because it is a even number, we have 2 as a factor, then 3. 3 is also a factor, then 4. 4 is also a factor. Then 5. No, 5 is not a factor of 24. Then 6. 6 fours are 24. Okay. Then what is a factor? Then 8 is a factor. Then 12 is a factor. Then 12 is a factor. And last one is 24 is a factor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. So here you can see that 1, 2, 3, all these numbers can divide 24 completely without leaving any remainder. So these are the factors of 24. So now find out the factors of 30 and 40. So now we will take multiples. Okay. So here I have written that a number is a multiple of another number when it is exactly divisible by the other number without leaving any remainder. Okay. So let us take an example. Suppose we have 6 and when we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. Okay. And we have 6 and when we divide it by 3 we get 2. So what is that? 6 is completely divisible by 2. It means 6 is multiple of 2. Okay. 6 is completely divisible by 3. It means 6 is multiple of 3. Or you can see that when we multiply 2 and 3, when we multiply 2 and 3, we get 6. So, the product of two numbers is a multiple of that two numbers. यहाँ पर ये जो है 6 is a product of 2 and 3. So, 2 and 3 are the factors of 6 and 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. We will take an example of 10. Okay. What are the factors of 10? We have learned now. What are the factors of 10? 1. Factors of 10, they are 1, 2, 5 and 10. And here, when we want to find the multiples of 10, we have to multiply by 10 into 1. It is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Okay. They are the multiples of 10. So here you can see that multiples of any numbers are endless, but factors are limited. Here we have factors of 10. They are 4 in numbers, but when we tell about multiples, we will get endless numbers of multiples. Now suppose we will take another example, that is 15. So here 15. So what are the factors of 15? We have find now 1, 3, 5 and 15. And what are the multiples of 15? It starts from 15. Okay. 15, 30, 45 and so on. It is endless. Suppose we will take 20. What are the factors of 20? It is 1, 2, 5, 4, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. What are the multiples of 20? So it is 20, 40, 60, 80 and so on. In this way, you can find out the factors and multiples of different numbers. So from here, you can see that 1 is a factor of each and every number and factors are limited in number. Okay, you can find you can count the number of factors of a given number, but in the case of multiples, we have lots of endless multiples of a given number. Okay, so find the factors and multiples of 24, 50 and 45. Okay, so friends, hope you understand factors and multiples and properties of multiples. And in next topic, we will learn about composite numbers, prime numbers, twin primes. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Till then, take care and goodbye.